Hi, my name is Christian Becker. I'm co-founder of Y Security and working there as an advanced attack simulation specialist. In the next few minutes, I would like to give you a quick overview about our security trainings. Our trainings are not only for a technical member of staff, but also for employees working in HR, management, finance or other departments. Our team at Y Security has decades of experience in performing offensive security services, like attack simulations and penetration testing. With our security trainings, we bring our experience into your team. On one side, for example, we have our red team training, in which attendees perform attacks from external into an internal network. We do not only discuss the concept of red teaming, but also plan attacks having the kill chain and MITRE ATT&CK framework in mind. Attendees explore attack chains in our lab environment and dive into bypassing security controls, lateral movement in Active Directory, and attacks against the Active Directory itself. On the other side, we have a penetration testing training. This one is equally suitable for beginner and advanced penetration tester to increase their knowledge of security issues. If you do in-house development, then this training is also perfect for your development team. In our hands-on training, we discuss the concepts of penetration testing using common tools and practically perform attacks on application and network layer. With our long-term experience, we can also support you in other training areas like mobile applications, reverse engineering, exploitation, and many more. If you are looking for more general training or more tailored one, then our phishing awareness workshop or tabletop exercise like ransomware attacks might be the right. Further information can be found on our Y Security website. We are also happy to arrange a call with you to discuss your requirements. Our contact details can be found in the video description.